Hey guys, Blowzo here. I've got to talk quietly. I'm in a game land area and I don't want to disturb anybody. Although I don't think anybody'd have their hunting sedans. I don't think I'm going to catch a bullet in the head standing here. Check this out, man. Let's take a walk back. I'll show you what I've been doing. My very first ever POTA activation. The tippy top of my antenna is about right up there. And I'll show you my goofy little setup with my Yaesu. Hello, Yaesu. Check this out, man. Got my faithful Yaesu on my new mobile mount. And got my trusty Z match. And man, I got my clipboard. I called CQ about 10 times. Finally, someone stumbled across me. I couldn't self-spot. I have no cell service here at all. And he asked me if I wanted him to spot me, and I told him, yeah. I worked a couple more contacts, and then all hell broke loose. The floodgates opened. Here, man, I'm going to pause you and show you my clipboard. Check this out, man. He was the first one I worked. November 2, Papa Radio Delta at 2045. And he was hammering in here, man, and he's the one that spotted me. Thank you. As if he'll ever see my crap video. Look at this chicken scratch, man. All hell broke loose and I couldn't write fast enough. I could not write fast enough. I lost control of my operation. And yeah, I had to tell the last one I worked that I got to go QRT for a minute and collect myself. And I don't think I can regain today. I need to go home and think about things. I'm not a contester, man. I'm a lowly QRPer who's relatively new to phone operation. Oh, what are you gonna do, man? I'm gonna sit here and snipe a few park-to-parks. And then be gone. Then I'm going home. I hope you're well. 73. I just sniped this guy. I shouldn't call it sniping. I did a park-to-park with this guy. November 3, Lima Sierra Juliet in West Virginia. Check this. He has some fantastic signal. Good audio. And he's got a pilot going.
Park to park only, please go. November 5, Hotel Alpha.
Come on, talk.
November 5, Hotel Alpha, you're 5 and 9 into Kilo 1828, over. I thought you were park to park there, buddy. Okay, 7-3, thanks for hunting, QRZ. Charlie Whiskey.
I thought you were a park to park there, buddy. I hope that guy didn't fake him out on purpose. That'd be a pretty crappy thing to do. Park to park's fun, man. When I do my next one, I'm going to do some 80-meter fun. I'm going to do what they call the late shift, and I'm going to throw a wire over a branch and alligator clip it to my connector on the roof. 73. Yeah, I'm going home. Yeah, Mr. 46-year extra class ham, and I came completely unglued. I want my mommy. I want to go home. Oh, man. I'm happy to report I made it home. And, I got the rig reconnected, but I'm not ready to turn it. We're darn sure not going to hook that up for a while. Got my two chimichangas all cooked, or shall we say heated and ready to be eaten. And I got to think about the chaos, man. I got to think about controlling the chaos. And I got to make a log sheet. And in bold letters, make the columns for state, reports sent, and reports received. In the heat of battle, you forget to write that stuff down. And so was my first POTA contact. I should say my very first POTA activation. How to sum it up? Oh my. I hope you're well. 73.